My name is Dulce. I just graduated from 5th grade and I am 11 years old. I will be leading the paper recorder workshop with the following materials: construction paper, tape, round stickers, a marker, and a reel recorder to use it as a guide. This is a very important part of our program because by making and caring for our own instruments, we learn a lot of things. We learn our first fingerings, tonguing, and also how to be in rest, ready, and playing positions. But probably the most important part is that we gain an understanding and appreciation of the value of a real instrument. And after using our paper recorder for about a whole month, we earn our real instruments. This happens at a ceremony where the older students take our paper recorders and exchange them for the real ones. This ceremony is in front of every student in the program. It is a very meaningful process because as we get older in the program, we get to be the leaders that give the real instruments to the new students. Thank you. Now I'm going to show you how to make your own instrument. First, we roll our construction paper into a cylinder and we use the tape to keep the shape. Got some tape here. Okay. Second, we press on one of the ends and put a piece of tape to make the mouthpiece. Like this. I like to put this piece of tape right on here for extra secure. It doesn't have to be perfect. Third, by using as a guide a reel recorder, we put the stickers in the place of the holes. So by using these, it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 stickers we're gonna use. We forgot one last sticker. One in the back. So we put this right here. Now we do our name.